Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are not working with snowmobile, but we are unboxing my new welder. It's ESAB Rogue, and yes, I will show it to you now. Here is the welder. You can see ESAB Rogue AMP 210 Pro. This should be really good. But yes, let's just open this. Here you can see ESAB Rogue AMP. Yes, here is some sticks for stick welding. Let's see what these are. Yes, this is actually pretty good looking, I can say that. Yes, let's get that in there. Here is some other ESAB sticks that I have been using with this older stick ESAB. But this new will be stick, MIG and thick. But the thick is not for like aluminium or anything like that. It's for, I believe it's it's only DC, and it's for like hard materials like regular steel. Here is the welder. Yes. This seems really good. This feels like actually yes. And here are this. And here is the rest of the package. Let's open it and see. Yes, this is actually... Oh! I'm surprised. It came with this... Is this like 1 kg of this welding wire? This... Yes. This is pretty much the same that is in this old values, and I will use this 5 kg roll because I bought it for this machine, but this machine does not work, and yes, I will put it in the new machine. And the same for this bottle. This is some regular CO2 bottle. But yes, let's see. Here is the like quick connect for the CO2. This will go with this. And here is the ground cable, nice and shiny. Here is the cable for the like stick, nice, and actually this is pretty good. It's the same as in this older ESAB. It's the same kind of mechanism. I think that's pretty good mechanism, but yes, here is some. Oh, that's pretty good. It comes with these like rolls that go into that push this wire through the cable. This cable. And this seems pretty good also. Euro connect and everything. This is really nice. Really nice. Yes. That seems to be all this had. But next thing is just I will connect this to the or get this out of this plastic and get power to this. Yes. Yes, next thing is the first time turning this on. Let's see. Yes, this seems pretty good. Let's see. Yes. I got no idea how I control this. Well, settings. That might be one. Oh. Well, this is the automatic thing. You can get this. Yes. Yes. I think this is pretty nice. Because this does not have kind of the push thing. It's all controlled in here. Yes, I can say that this is pretty good looking. And the yes, I like watched some videos about this and they said that this will do that, well, that the fan will go on and like full blast it. Actually, here is plenty of stuff. But yes, you will put the roll in here. It will go through this, then there, and from there to this, and then come out of there and go into this. But this machine is actually, this feels like, because this is metal, this is not all plastic like many new like welding machines are. But here is the quick connect. Yes. And here is the power. I will shut it off. Yes. And yes. Here is for the, like, if I would have put the like tick for this, I would need to put this from here to here and the tick to this minus. At least I believe this is the minus. Yes, you can see it. Because, and if I use the stick or pretty much anything else, at least for the stick, I put the like stick cable in here, and I believe I will remove this completely or something. I need to actually, I think I need to read this a little bit, and then I will maybe weld like a rig where I can put the CO2 bottle and like some of this other stuff, like the other cables that I will not need at the moment and like that. but this is not like too heavy. This is like 10 kilos, 10-12 kilos without the roll of the like this welding, like the wire. But yes, this is what it is. Yes, this video is now over, and this was just a small unboxing of the new welding machine. And next video will be about me actually welding with it. And yes, this is brand new ESAB, and it costs 1,250 euros, and you get free shipping in that. But yes, see you in the next video. Leave a comment, subscribe. Yes, see you later.